Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to make Schlage block discoverable, enable pairing mode for app and HomeKit. Step 1. Pairing to Apple HomeKit directly. If you want to use Apple Home features like HomeKit or Apple Home Key first, bypass the Schlage app and use the native Apple ecosystem. First, remove the interior cover of the lock and press the black pairing button for about a second. The lock will flash, meaning it is in pairing mode for 5 minutes. Then open the Apple Home app on your iPhone and tap the plus icon. From there, select Add Accessory. Then scan the HomeKit QR code located on the lock's inside label, Quick Start Guide or User Manual. This is for Encode Plus only. When prompted, hold the top of your iPhone near the lock to activate NFC and complete the connection. Then choose a room, name your lock, for example, front door, and follow the remaining on-screen prompts. Step 2. Pairing via the Schlage Home app and HomeKit. If you prefer to manage codes, Wi-Fi connectivity, and app integrations through the native Schlage interface before linking it to HomeKit, follow these simple steps. First, ensure the Schlage Home app is downloaded on your iOS device and your lock is added and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Then open the Schlage Home app. In it, tap the menu icon, which is the three lines present in the top left corner. From there, select Works with. Then tap Apple HomeKit and then get started. After it, select the lock you want to pair and follow the prompt to continue to step 2. The app will redirect you to the Apple Home app. Hold your phone to the lock to complete NFC pairing and tap Add to Home. Troubleshooting pairing issues. If your iPhone isn't discovering the lock or pairing fails, try these quick fixes. First is to check the buttons. Make sure you press the hardware pairing button on the inside of the door. It only stays discoverable for 5 minutes before timing out. Then remove and repair. If you are changing from one app to another, such as moving an already set up lock to a new network, you may need to factory reset the lock or delete it from your previous account via lock settings. Next, use the code. If tapping your phone doesn't work, manually type in the 8-digit HomeKit setup code found on your physical user guide. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.